Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change your country or region in the SHEIN app. Let's get started. Open the SHEIN app on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the SHEIN application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says Me and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the setting option, which is presented in the form of a gear, and click on it. Clicking on the setting option will open a drop-down menu where you will search for the location option and click on it. The SHEIN application will also open a list of all possible countries that exist. It's up to you to search and select your location in that drop-down menu. Once you confirm, the app will refresh and you'll see the products, prices, and options available in the new region. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your location on the SHEIN app. This is a great way to explore the different collections and offers available around the world. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.